Forgot your Wi-Fi or website password? In today's video, I'll show you how to view any password that's already saved on your phone, whether it's Wi-Fi, your Google account, or a website login. No extra apps needed. Go to Settings Wi-Fi Connected Network. Tap the network you're connected to and look for Show Password or QR code. On many phones, when you tap the QR code, you'll see the Wi-Fi password written below. If it's hidden, take a screenshot and scan it using another phone, it will reveal the password. Open Chrome, tap 3-dot Settings. Go to Password Manager. Here, you can see every username and password saved by your browser. Tap any website and authenticate with fingerprint or PIN to reveal it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tech tips.